Hi, I'm Mike East, and I'm the project manager for the INGAA Foundation. I'm responsible for our research program. I'm a third generation natural gas pipeliner. My grandfather and father both worked for United Gas, which is now CenterPoint Energy. I got my start in the offshore pipeline industry as a design engineer after working in the manufacturing and machining industry. When I started in the industry, we were transitioning from paper-based record keeping and design to computer-based design. It's amazing to see just how much of a transition we've accomplished with computer-aided design, geographic information systems, and industrial automation over my career. The most visible project at the moment is our hydrogen study, where we're looking at blending hydrogen into our existing gas infrastructure and identifying the risks with transporting hydrogen blends at high-pressure pipeline systems. We're also doing leading-edge research on human personnel safety, looking at human performance indicators, leading safety indicators, and other means to keep our workforce safe during construction. And finally, we're continuing our education program with our regulators through our FERC 201 workshop. All of the research the Foundation performs is member-driven. We have a structured process that allows any member to provide an idea for a study, and it goes through a significant vetting process through our standing committees, subject matter experts, and then finally, ultimately, pitched to the membership by that proponent. Our tribal engagement effort has been my most satisfying work. It was the initial project that I started on whenever I joined the Foundation. We're now reaching out to high school and college-age Native American STEM students to promote the technology within the natural gas industry and educating them on how they can be part of this exciting and growth opportunity. Most of the time, people hear about pipelines in a negative way, either through a release of product or complaints from landowners. I wish people would just understand how much of their energy is transported through pipelines safely and reliably every day, and the amount of effort that those who work in this industry go through in order to ensure that no incidents take place and that the land is always returned to its pre-construction conditions. It's a bit cliche, but our members are the best reason to come to work. I get to help them promote their personal interests, such as safety, environment, or quality and integrity, while still promoting the industry. Traveling is how I spend most of my free time. I've visited all 50 states and in over 20 countries and 4 continents around the world. I don't do any formal tours, usually pick one thing to do in a location and then spend the rest of the time just exploring the local culture. As a kid, my dream job was to be a pilot and an astronaut. Actually, my college internship was with NASA, working with the team on the external tank of the space shuttle. But because of my eyesight, I had to give up my dreams of being a pilot and I switched to engineering, but I still love space.